Hi everybody, my name is Ron Meadows. I'm with Meadows Farms Nurseries. Today I'm going to show you how to make some of the Farmer Loves Ya hot salsa. The ingredients for the salsa is 28 ounces of fire roasted tomatoes. The original recipe calls for just one jalapeno. I'm adding an extra habanero today, seed, stem and all, just for the added little kick to the flavor. Got the juice of a lime, a full white onion, cilantro. Be careful with the cilantro. You can get too much cilantro, it overpowers the taste of the salsa, so I'm just using a small bunch. 4 ounces of green chilies, 3 cloves of garlic, a half teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons ground cumin, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. So we all know that vegetables grown in your garden have better flavor. So unfortunately this time of year I'm not able to grow the vegetables, but we'll use what we have from our local grocery store. So hopefully you'll come out and you'll buy your veggies and get them from our garden centers and have much fresher, better flavor. So packing this all in. And so with the blender, I set this on a puree speed. Set up a little bit. Almost to the right texture. You can adjust your texture. I like it a little bit more So as you can see, it's a very easy mix. Let's give it a little taste to see how it came out with. And that's pretty darn good. Thanks for watching today, and remember, the farmer loves you.